What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best 2-in-1 laptops in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. When it comes to getting the most out of your money, we highly recommend the Microsoft Surface Go 3 as the top value 2-in-1 laptop for 2024. This device is a smaller version of Microsoft Surface tablet, boasting a 10.5-inch screen and one fewer port than its larger Pro sibling. However, it maintains the high-quality build and luxe design that the full-size Surface tablets are renowned for. The Surface Go 3 is an aesthetically pleasing device that provides an enjoyable user experience, provided you don't overload it or require long-lasting battery life. Windows 11, the operating system running on the Surface Go 3, holds an edge over iPad OS by accommodating more user profiles. Plus, compared with Chrome OS, Windows 11 can run a broader range of useful apps. Though the physical design remains unchanged, a slight disappointment considering the significant updates Surface Pro 8 received this year, the Surface Go 3 continues to support the older Surface Pen design. However, it does not support the haptic feedback feature of the newer pen. The Surface Go 3 retains a familiar design blueprint. It's a rectangular touchscreen tablet equipped with an integrated kickstand, weighing a mere 1.2 pounds and measuring 0.33 by 9.7 by 6.9 inches. This device is just as comfortable to hold in your hands as it is to prop up on a desk. This distinct feature sets it apart from most other convertible 2-in-1 laptops, which are usually at least double the weight and sport permanently attached keyboards, making them feel less like a true tablet. The top-tier Go 3 model, which comes with 8 GB of storage and a 128 GB SSD. The 10.5-inch screen displays a resolution of 1920 by 1280 pixels and a 3:2 aspect ratio, equivalent to full HD resolution, making it suitable for movie watching. Above the display, within one of the lengthy bezels that surround the Go 3's display, resides a superior webcam. This 5-megapixel 1080p recorder surpasses most laptop webcams, which often use low-quality 720p sensors that produce grainy video quality even under bright lighting. The audio quality is also commendable for a tablet. Considering its listed price, the Microsoft Surface Go 3 is unbeatable. Introducing the Lenovo Duet 5 Chromebook, a top-tier 2-in-1 laptop that has earned its place as the best Chromebook in the market for 2024. While it may not lead the pack regarding power, this device compensates with a stunning OLED display, over 13 hours of battery life, and an adaptable 2-in-1 design. The Duet 5 maintains the familiar fabric backing and keyboard cover from its predecessor, but its 13.3-inch OLED screen is a game-changer at this price point. The improvements don't stop there. It boasts a significantly enhanced Qualcomm Snapdragon 7C Gen 2 processor, providing more than 13 hours of operation on a single charge. The device comes equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7C Gen 2 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of eMMC storage. The 16:9 aspect ratio and 13.3-inch screen make it feel somewhat more manageable as a tablet. However, once the cover is attached, positioning it to fully enjoy the OLED display becomes effortless. The Lenovo Duet 5 Chromebook features 3 ports, 2 USB-C 3.2 Gen 1, and pogo pins that connect to the keyboard cover. The device's OLED display is impressive at any price point, but especially so at this one. The 13.3-inch 1920 by 1080 pixel touchscreen outperforms many laptops priced much higher. The 16:9 aspect ratio may feel a bit awkward when used as a tablet, but it's perfect for video viewing. Remove the keyboard, and you have a lightweight tablet with a kickstand that can sit at any angle horizontally or be propped up vertically for an immersive TikTok experience. The Lenovo Duet 5 Chromebook features a fabric keyboard that magnetically attaches. It also offers clear audio from 4 speakers equipped with smart amplifier technology, 2 microphones, and 8-megapixel rear and 5-megapixel front 1080p FHD cameras for streaming and video calls. Without a doubt, the Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 5 Chromebook is an excellent 2-in-1 device. Running on Chrome OS and designed for cloud computing, it offers portability with up to 15 hours of battery life. Thumbs up. Introducing the Microsoft Surface Pro 9, a standout in the realm of detachable 2-in-1 laptops in 2024. This latest entrant to the esteemed Surface Pro lineage is a testament to Microsoft's technological prowess. Its 13-inch immersive touchscreen display is designed to adapt to your environment by adjusting color balance for optimal viewing, irrespective of your surroundings. The Surface Pro 9 comes with a versatile built-in stand that moves in sync with your adjustments, adding to its flexibility. Pair it with the Surface Pro signature keyboard, and you have an instant laptop ready for productivity. The device also features a 1080p HD camera, updated to position you perfectly within the frame. The Surface Pro 9 offers models with either a Core i5-1235U or Core i7-1255U CPU, both Intel-based. The latter model boasts higher clock speeds and superior integrated graphics. The design is sleek from every angle, with a glass screen and a solid aluminum body reflecting impeccable craftsmanship. Measuring a compact 0.37 by 11.3 by 8.2 inches and weighing just 1.9 pounds, the Surface Pro 9 packs in cutting-edge technology without compromising on portability. It's lightweight enough to be held effortlessly in one hand. The star feature of the Surface Pro 9 is undoubtedly its 13-inch touchscreen. Bright and vibrant, it can add a touch of excitement to even the most mundane tasks. It boasts a detailed resolution of 2880 by 1920 pixels, following a 3:2 paper ratio. While the default refresh rate is 60 Hz, you can adjust it to a smoother 120 Hz through Windows settings, though this might increase power usage and reduce battery life. The Surface Pro's 9 stand epitomizes Microsoft's expertise in tablet design. 2 notches at the bottom allow for easy opening with fingertips, while the sturdy hinge ensures stability even when tapping or drawing on the screen. The stand can be adjusted up to 170 degrees, accommodating various usage styles. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Presenting the Dell XPS 13 2-in-1, the runner-up best 2-in-1 laptop in 2024. Its robust yet lightweight architecture delivers a blend of durability and portability that's hard to beat. With an impressively high performance profile for a hybrid device, a vivid screen with a 3:2 aspect ratio, a comfortable keyboard, and a superior webcam, this model is a compelling option. The Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 stands out for its remarkable performance, defying expectations for hybrid devices. The i5 model, powered by a 12th generation Intel U-series processor, offers sufficient power for most activities typically performed on a hybrid device, from web browsing and document editing to working on extensive spreadsheets. It provides a swift and smooth user experience, even under demanding conditions. The Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 boasts a unique and superior screen compared to its laptop counterpart. Like the Surface Pro, it features a 3:2 aspect ratio display, delivering a resolution of 2880 by 1920 pixels. With a luminance of 500 nits, the display performs exceptionally well in outdoor settings and offers sharp visuals. The device supports Display HDR400 and Dolby Vision, features absent in the XPS 13 laptop version. Moreover, the screen's Gorilla Glass protection and touchscreen functionality, compatible with a separately sold stylus, enhance its overall appeal. The XPS 13 2-in-1 surpasses its laptop sibling in terms of webcam quality as well. It houses a 5-megapixel camera that produces excellent 1080p videos. The device's magnetic foil can be attached to the base, allowing 3 angle adjustments, 100, 112.5, and 125 degrees for customizing the device's position. The XPS Folio's lattice-free keyboard ensures swift, efficient, and comfortable typing. The larger keycaps, ample touchpad, and backlit keys enhance the overall user experience, especially in low-light conditions. Additionally, the XPS Pen, which features programmable buttons and Bluetooth connectivity, allows you to launch your preferred programs or erase notes with a simple button press. The Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 delivers vivid colors and sharp details with its 3K resolution and 100% sRGB color gamut. The device runs on Windows 11, which can suggest subsequent actions and potential file sharing contacts. Microsoft Teams is integrated into Windows 11, enabling video calls, chats, and SMS directly from your desktop. This feature isn't just for work, it also helps you stay connected. Given this impressive set of features, we highly recommend the Dell XPS 13 2-in-1. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. We're thrilled to introduce the Lenovo Yoga 9i Gen 8, a shining star in the 2-in-1 laptop category and our selection for the best overall 2-in-1 laptop in 2024. The Yoga series has become synonymous with convertible laptops, and Lenovo continues to uphold this reputation with its latest offering. The Yoga 9i Gen 8 is a testament to Lenovo's expertise in blending design, functionality, and performance. Sporting a stunning 14-inch OLED display and armed with a powerful Intel 13th generation P-series processor, this device is an absolute delight to use, whether as a tablet or as a laptop. It follows in the footsteps of its predecessor, the Yoga 9i Gen 7, by offering a premium build and top-tier features, coupled with unmatched processing power. At the heart of the Yoga 9i is the 13th generation Intel Core processor, delivering exceptional performance to cater to your mobile computing needs. The laptop can be used in 4 versatile modes: laptop, stand, tent, or tablet, enhancing its usability across various scenarios. Its sleek design and versatility make it equally suitable for capturing on-the-go ideas or indulging in some leisurely browsing at home. The Yoga 9i is not just about performance, it's also designed for comfort and aesthetics. The laptop's ergonomic design, featuring a rounded finish, is easy to hold while on the move. The device also comes with a spacious touchpad, an edge-to-edge keyboard, and one-click function keys for quick switching and enhanced productivity. Audio enthusiasts will appreciate the Yoga 9i's sound system, powered by 4 Bowers & Wilkins speakers and supporting Dolby Atmos on a 360-degree rotating soundbar. This setup immerses you in the heart of the action, no matter what you're watching or listening to. The laptop's OLED PureSight screen, supporting up to 4K resolution and Dolby Vision, offers an unparalleled viewing experience. The laptop's high-capacity 75-watt-hour battery ensures it keeps going through the day and well into the night. If you're running low on power, the Quick Charge feature comes to the rescue, giving your laptop a quick power boost. In conclusion, the Lenovo Yoga 9i Gen 8 is a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly 2-in-1 laptop that effortlessly adapts to any creative or fun scenario. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best 2-in-1 laptops in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.